Welcome back, everyone. Today we're having our English podcast here in this cozy travel cafe. And the topic is one of the most important ones for every English learner: how to think in English and stop translating in your head.
Oh, that's definitely me. I always translate everything in my head from Spanish to English. It takes forever.
You're not alone, Mark. Most learners do that. But don't worry, today we'll fix that together, step by step. So first, let's understand why you translate. You see, when you're learning, your brain wants to use your native language as a bridge. It's like, imagine you're driving from one city to another, and you always take the long, familiar road. But thinking in English is like learning a shortcut, faster, smoother, and more natural.
Okay, that makes sense, but how do I take that shortcut?
Great question. The first step is stop focusing on individual words and start focusing on ideas. When you see a cup of coffee, don't think taza de café, don't think xícara de café, just think coffee.
Coffee. Coffee. Yeah, it feels faster.
Exactly. Let's practice that. I'll say a few things, and you and everyone listening will try to picture them without translating. Ready?
Ready.
Okay. Sunrise. Pausa. Don't translate. Just picture it. Pausa. Rainy day. Pausa. Airport. Pausa. Smile. Pausa. Vacation. Pausa.
That's fun. I can actually see the images now, not the words.
Perfect. That's exactly how native speakers think, with images, not translations. Step 2, use simple English you already know. Don't try to build complex sentences in your head before speaking. Just speak. For example, instead of translating tengo hambre, don't think about the grammar, just say, I'm hungry. It's simple, direct, and automatic.
So I shouldn't be like, dango hunger, wait, am hungry.
Exactly. No, don't do that. That's the brain trying to translate everything. We need to train it to react in English. And let's try some quick exercises together. I'll say something in English, and you, and everyone listening, will try to picture it without translating. Ready? Okay. I'm hungry. Pausa.
I'm hungry.
I'm tired. Pausa.
I'm tired.
It's a beautiful day. Pausa.
It's a beautiful day.
Let's get some coffee. Pausa.
Let's get some coffee.
Excellent! Now, step 3, immerse your mind in English. That means think in English during simple activities. When you're walking, tell yourself what you see. I see a tree. The sky is blue. I'm going to work.
So, like narrating my life in English?
Exactly! You're the narrator of your own English story. Okay, let's test it. I see a cup of coffee. I see Anna. She's smiling. She's waiting for me to order something. You're already thinking in English. You didn't translate ella está esperando. You just said it naturally. She's waiting.
That actually feels really good.
That's the magic of consistency. If you do this every day, your brain will stop asking for translations. You'll start feeling the language, not just learning it. Step 4, use your inner voice. When you're alone, talk to yourself in English. Don't worry about mistakes. No one's listening. Just practice small sentences. What time is it? I need to go. I'm cooking dinner. This is delicious.
My neighbors are going to think I'm crazy.
Maybe, but you'll also sound amazing in English, so it's worth it. Okay, let's give everyone listening a chance to try. I'll say a sentence. You, at home, repeat it out loud. No translation. Ready? I'm learning English. Pausa. I love this podcast. I'm getting better every day. Pausa. English is fun. Pausa.
That's my favorite one. English is fun.
And that's the key. When you enjoy the process, you learn faster.
So basically, step 5 is make English part of your life, right?
Exactly. Listen to podcasts, read short stories, talk with friends, watch videos, but always, always think in English while doing it.
You know, I used to wait until I felt ready. But now I get it. You become ready by doing it.
Yes, Mark. Thinking in English is a journey, not a switch. Every small thought counts. Even this coffee we're having. Think in English, this coffee smells good. It's warm. I like it.
This coffee smells good. It's warm. I like it. Okay. I think I'm officially thinking in English now.
Mission accomplished. And for everyone listening, practice this today. Talk to yourself, describe what you see, and repeat simple sentences out loud. Every time you do it, your brain builds new English connections.
And remember, no translation.
That's right. Thank you all for joining us here at the cafe today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this episode if you enjoyed it.
And we'll see you in the next one.
Bye, everyone. Keep thinking in English.